Rarely available 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath 2-story in Brampton Place with a forest preserve view. The entire first floor has a solid surface flooring, either newly refinished hardwood in living room / dining room / fam room or ceramic tile in foyer and kitchen. Family room has a vaulted ceiling, gas starter fireplace and sliding glass doors leading to deck. Beautiful kitchen, with 42 inches maple cabinets west / crown, ceramic tiled backsplash, and granite countertops. All stainless steel appliances remain. Nice deck off the family room. Master bedroom has huge walk-in closet and full bath. Kitchen remodeled in 2014. Meticulously maintained. Full unfinished basement welcomes your creativity. Great location with little traffic. Bartlett High School. A truly fantastic home. This one won't last long.